how to easily get SoundCloud on PlayStation 5. So if you want to get SoundCloud on your PlayStation 5, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And let me tell you that you cannot get SoundCloud on your PlayStation 5 as of right now. And it's because Sony does not have an application out of PlayStation 5 yet. So you can demonstrate that by looking up SoundCloud on your PlayStation website. Go with your search, which will be at top, search for SoundCloud. And you will see there's no SoundCloud application available. The only way that you can actually play some music on your SoundCloud is if you go into the browser and search for SoundCloud. And that's literally the way, or the only way that you can play music of SoundCloud on your PlayStation 5 as of right now. There are some hacks, but those don't work really well. So if you're trying something to do at your own risk, and let's just hope PlayStation comes out with the SoundCloud application. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.